Yes, you know it is TonyCultureTime.com and click radio. Always got to say that. Listen, in regards to Etana, I says, I'm still gonna play Etana music without any kind of hesitation because I have never been one to hold artists according to what I'm sing in terms of, um, in other words, let me get to it that way. Pay attention to the message. Don't focus too much on the messenger. You know what I mean? And me still would have play a bag of Etana music before me play some Gully Bop and other artists kind of thing. You know what I mean? Because the messages in a Etana music is even bigger than Etana herself. And the same thing goes for Sizzla, Capleton, Luciana, Bob Marley, and enough other artists who sing great messages. See? The message is what we need to pay attention to. Stop focus on the messengers. Straight. TonyCultureTime.com. Click radio when you go there.